Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay and I hope you are doing great. So friends, in this working video, I'm going to show you WooCommerce WordPress adding the cryptocurrency payment option on checkout page. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So we see here is the checkout page. WooCommerce WordPress demo project and see checkout page and you can see the options credit card, PayPal, pay with cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT and Bitcoin. Other options as well. Guys, also I must say I'm working on it. In future I will come with the more best options as well. This is the demo project and the checkout page. And also friends, if you will have any kind of query, session or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Here is contact us page. And I'm full-time freelancer. You can hire me on hourly basis as well. See my email, my WhatsApp number, and my Upwork ID as well. And also, here you will get multiple free things for Angular, React.js, WordPress, WooCommerce as well. And friends, this is it for today. And in the end, I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel and also thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.